friends, have you ever wanted to make your film? Is there a story you want to tell? You might even think that it is impossible. Studios make film, not the little guy. This is probably what you tell yourself. Do you watch films with more than a casual eye? You probably want to know how they were able to get perfect lighting in your favorite scene, or how to write a professional screenplay. Do you watch the actor's studio and hang on every word they say? My last question is, do you sit in your seat at the movie when it's over, watching the credits as everyone else files out of the door? Why don't you make your own movie? I know you have dreamed about it, but have you ever seriously contemplated making your own film? Yes, you too can make your own film all on your own. I know you have dreamed about it, but have you ever seriously contemplated making your own film? Yes, you too can make your own film all on your own. If you have played with the idea of what it would be like to direct a film, then you have already made an imaginary plan. Why not make it a reality? What else are you doing with your time? Why not use it to produce something productive? Are you thinking that filmmaking is only for studios and professionals? I believe that independent film has changed all the rules. Doors are opening all over for aspiring filmmakers. Why not give it a try? What do you have to lose? With a little imagination and a lot of hard work, you can do this. But you need the basics to get started. If you feel like you don't know where to start the process, come, we will show you in this summer camp. As we believe that here in DAV Public School Pokariput, for an all-around development, students are encouraged to participate in sports and games, yoga, craft making, curricular activities, theatre in education, bioliteracy, community service, and creative learning, including information technology. This idea of filmmaking stems from the vision of the principal of the school, Madam Sujata, who has always aimed at the holistic development of a child's personality by providing quality education in a friendly and relaxed atmosphere. She wanted to provide training and necessary skills to make our students independent filmmakers. Thus, she designed this 12-day filmmaking workshop that will cut through all the double talk and cover only the pertinent info that we need to make our own film. This is not about film theory and critical viewing. It is the nuts and bolts of filmmaking. So all the young and talented filmmakers are invited to join the camp. So why wait? After all, making a film takes time, and the longer you wait, the longer will be the spinning your wheels just thinking about getting started. Here comes Mr. Sakti Prasann Mohanty, fondly and famously known as Sakti Sir, who has shouldered this Herculean task of grooming the budding filmmakers from script to screen. And then he has also made it possible for Mr. Sanjeev Das from the Times of India to come during this camp and interact with our starry-eyed filmmakers, to guide them and share everything that is worth knowing. He is a vast storehouse of knowledge, and his expertise lies in video journalism, photography, cinematography, and so on. He is also a faculty member in the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism in Ravenshaw, Kotak. and the Utkal University, Bhubaneswar. So now, here is what you will learn in this workshop. You will learn how to handle a camera, sound equipment and lights. You will also learn how to take your story, ideas and concepts and bring them to life on film. How to develop a concept, how to write a professional screenplay, how to purchase and operate the camera, how to light your scenes professionally, audio for your film, finding a location, how to make a production schedule, a list of equipment you will need, how to promote your film, and a lot more. Figure out which department interests you most: editing, writing, cinematography, or producing. This workshop is a professional program through which students made short films and actively participated in all aspects of the filmmaking craft. During this workshop, they have managed to shoot 13 short movies and 3 motivational songs. Thus, awards have also been categorized for them in the Best Actor category, Best Director, Script Writer, for the Best Screenplay, and so on. The workshop covered the basics of filmmaking, including script developing, screenplay writing, direction, cinematography, film lighting, creative editing, and other technical aspects to explore their cinematic creativity. At the end of the workshop, the participants were provided with a professional digital cam to practically implement all the filmmaking aspects by making short films. Duration ranging from 5 minutes to 30 minutes under the guidelines of the director of the show and the workshop, Sakti Sir. Thus, during this workshop, they have managed to shoot 13 short movies and 3 motivational songs. Now, don't sit around waiting for your ideas to grow wings and fly. Just make it happen. Enter the world of filmmaking and have a real life experience in making films of your own. The director's seat is awaiting you. Everyone is invited to join. And for all other queries and mailing your ideas, this is our ID: sakti91@gmail.com. And you could also be a part of the ever-spreading wide circle of friends. Log on to and chat in Facebook.
चलो कुछ खा लो। नहीं माँ, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा। वो मेरा एल्बम खो गया है। कहाँ रखा था तुमने? शायद दराज में। लौट कर देखा तो गायब। ऊंचा रहे हमारा झंडा, ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
जगतर नाथ जगन्नाथ मते क्षमा करि दियो।
चबल सलानी भंगा सूर्य मंदिर माटी रे मिसाई दियो नाट्यशाला को। हिंदूर गर्व ए तीर्थ क्षेत्र को ध्वंस विध्वंस करि दियो।
ना बाघवा के डर ना शेरवा के डर, डर तो डर इस टिपटिपुआ के ही डर।
दादी, ये टिपटिपुआ कौन है? क्या ये शेरबाग से भी बहुत बड़ा है?
पता नहीं लोग दिमाग कैसे खाते हैं। क्या पूछ रहे तू मुझे? अम्मा जी, भैया ने अंडों को छेड़ा था। क्यों रे? खिलौने ले लो खिलौने, रंग बिरंगी हैं, बच्चों को बहलाने वाला खिलौने वाला।
अजी सुनते हो, जरा उस मुरली वाले को बुलाओ तो, चुन्नू मुन्नू के लिए ले लो। क्या पता वो फिर इधर आए ना आए।
3 = 79।
87 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 का आंसर 79 है। कुछ सीखेंगे। इतने दिन से सिखा रहा हूँ, उसमें मन नहीं, खाली खेलना है।
कोई बात नहीं, मैं अब भी रह सकती हूँ।
लगा है मुझको मातृभूमि की जय, भारत माता की जय।
इस बार माफ कर दो, अगली बार ऐसा नहीं करूँगा। या अल्लाह, इसको क्या हो गया?
क्या हो गया ये सब क्या हो गया?
तो, सर मैं साधारण दर्द और खाने के लिए दिन भर
मेरी बिटिया की शादी तो उन्हीं की वजह से आज हुई है। आप मुझे छोड़कर कैसे जा सकती है दादी माँ? दादी माँ! ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ମଣିଷ, ସେ ମୁସଲମାନ हो कि क्रिश्चियन हो।
अरे बिल्ली बहन, नमस्ते नमस्ते। रुकिए, पंडित जी रुकिए।
एठी कलिंग को जय करया पई आसीथिले।
ताकि अपन को आशीर्वाद करूनी सम्राट से अपन को अभिशाप देउछि।
अरे सुनो तो सही, उसने कुछ अनशन तो नहीं खा लिया?
तो मिस्टर, आपके पेट में कैसे होता है ऐसे ऐसे?
ये मैंने प्रश्नों के उत्तर नहीं लिखे।
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना।
साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना।
पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के पिंजर बंधना गा पाएंगे, कनतिलियों से टकरा कर पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे। हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के।
us many things like what is the film, how to make a film, the grammar of film, the grammar of stages. Without all this knowledge, we were like in the dark. We were following the path in the dark. So sir, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I'm also very sorry that we couldn't complete our films under your guidance according to the rules. But I promise you the next time we are going to do such type of films, we'll follow your guidelines certainly. And sir, I would like to also invite you next time we conduct this movie making workshop even after the reopening of school. And sir, I request you, please don't say no to us.
A very good morning. I'm Sushi. I want to say a few words about my experience in this theatre workshop. First of all, I would like to thank Sakti sir, then our principal ma'am who gave Sakti sir the permission to conduct this, then Sanjeev sir and Bhavani sir who showed us the path how to conduct the movies and how to make films. Well, movie making is not just a quality, but it's an inborn quality. Like direction, when you're born, you're not taught to direct, but you get the knowledge how to direct. It's your inner talent. And acting, it's even your inner talent. Acting is just not a thing to just think to say few lines or just deliver a speech. It's to act with expression, feeling, and with feelings. We got to know about the cameras, how to handle it, how to do shooting, and how to think of which place we'll shoot or the setting of the movie. Because without setting, the movie is impossible. And how to get the knowledge to conduct the movies in different and various places and in which way. Well, direction was I directed and I even acted. So it was a very good experience of mine. I hope it will carry on for the next year. And thank you.
I would like to thank Shakti sir who has conducted, second Sanjeev sir and Bhavani sir. Like Siddhant Bhai has said, before we came to this theatre workshop, we were in the darkness. But when Sanjeev sir taught us the basic grammar of how to make films, then we came to know about little things. We are not expert in all, but after this course, I am sure and I hope that you all are sure that we can make a small movie which is not perfect but near to the perfect. So all the credit goes to Sanjeev sir for teaching us. Thank you.
And third, I want to also thank Sakti sir, Sanjeev sir and Bhavani sir who has taught many things about the filmmaking. They all have showed the way to make small films, and I want to thank everyone. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Anshul Chaudhary. I will tell my experience between this film making workshop. I feel very good between this filmmaking. I like to thank my principal ma'am for giving the permission to make this film, and first Shakti sir, Sanjeev sir and Bhavani sir to teach us how to make a film and how to handle the cameras.
Sir told me to tell 2 lines. 1 line is over. First thing, let it be best or good or bad, we have stepped 1 step towards filmmaking. So it is a good thing. Second thing, I thank you all to have giving your interest for filmmaking, because filmmaking is a very difficult thing. It is not so easy that it seems to be. So if you will learn more and more in future, you will be a better camera handling person, better filmmaker. Okay, and I am very much thankful to you. You all have cooperated with sir and me. Any doubt, anything, you can contact with us through mail and telephone. Don't worry. So those who have really interest, they will grow. Nothing like it. First line is over. Second line is thank you to all. Wish you a.
But sir को बोलना होगा after vacation when school reopens,
I wish
again
you
will conduct
to be a good filmmaker.